Hello students. So today we will see the decision theory, new topic, decision theory. So how to take a decision regarding the profit and loss. In every day-to-day situation, we are taking the decisions. So how we are taking decision? By a logical thinking. So decision theory represent a generalized approach to decision making. It enables the decision maker to analyze a set of complex situation with many alternatives and many different possible consequences. So while taking a decision, we are having a different situation, and for that situation we are having a different alternatives, and we have to select any one alternative from that number of alternatives. So that is nothing but the decision theory. So in day to day life, we are taking by the logical thinking, we are taking the decisions, our regular day-to-day decision. So what are the different types of decision? So decision types, or types of decision making environments. So there are three environments. So decision making under under certainty, decision making under risk, and decision making under uncertainty. So we will see in detail what is under certainty, what is under risk, and what is under uncertainty. And in our syllabus there is a decision making under uncertainty. The problem may arise on the decision making under uncertainty. So what is the decision making under certainty? So when the decision maker knows the certain which state of nature will occur, he will or she will he or she will choose the alternative that has the highest payoff or a smallest loss under those state of nature. So decision under certainty means we know that what will be the possible outcome. So in that case we have to take a decision. Okay, suppose if you are going to propose anyone, and you know previously that he or she may say yes, so you are having a probability of 99% that he or she will say the yes while when you are proposing. Then that condition comes under a decision under certainty. You know that what is the output or outcome of that decision. So that is a under certainty. We are taking a decision to propose or not, but you know that 99% he or she will say the yes. So that is a condition decision under certainty. Okay, you know the decision. If you got the some percentage of marks, suppose 99 percentile of a mark in a JEE exam, and you want admission to the government college or any government college or IIT. Consider, now you are having a choice. You will get the admission to the IIT, but you have to take a decision in which IIT you want to take the admission. So this is a decision under certainty. You know what is the outcome of the decision. Okay, the next is a decision under risk. So what is decision under risk? In this case, the decision maker doesn't know which state of nature will occur, but can estimate the probability of occurrence for each state. So now again take a previous example. If you are going to propose, so there may be the chances of 50% chances he or she will say yes or no. So that is a decision under risk. Similarly, if you got the marks of 70 percentile in JEE, and you have to take you want to take the admission in a government college, but there is a chance of getting admission or not. So that condition may arise decision under risk. Okay, then next one is a decision under uncertainty. So when the probability of occurrence of each state of nature cannot be assessed, we can use the following criteria. So in this case, where we don't know what will be the nature, what is the percentage, exact percentage of that decision we have taken, the decision we will reach to the decision or not. So that condition is a decision under uncertainty. We don't know what is the outcome of the end decision. So while that taking the decision, there are a number of criteria. So while talking about the industrial aspect, we have to decide the on the profit or loss basis decision. So there are a number of criteria. So one is a Maximax criteria. So we can say criteria of optimism. Optimism means we are thinking about the positive way. Then second criteria is Maximin criteria or criteria of pessimism. So we will think on the negative way if everything goes the negative. Then next is a Minimax regret criteria, or it is called as Savage criteria. Then Laplace criteria or equal likely. So we are giving the equal weightage to the each decision. So that is a Laplace criteria. And last one is Hurwicz criteria or criteria of realism. So where the one value of realism value, that is alpha value, is given in the problem. So that type of problem we will see. So these are the condition in the decision making under uncertainty, and we will see one by one each in the decision making under uncertainty. So up to this point we have discussed what is a decision, how to take a decision, then decision making environment. So these are the decision making environment, and we are solving the example on decision making under uncertainty, and these are the criteria comes under the decision under uncertainty. So we will see the today one problem. So this is the problem. A research department of Hindustan Liver has recommended to the marketing department to launch a shampoo of 3 different types. The marketing manager has to decide one of the type of shampoo to be launched under following estimated payoff for various level of a sale. So these are the criteria we have seen. We have to see these criteria and we have to solve the problem by using this criteria. So first we will see the problem. The problem is we have to decide the shampoo. So Hindustan Liver having a 3 types of shampoo: egg shampoo, clinic shampoo and deluxe shampoo, and they have to decide which shampoo they can produce in the upcoming market or upcoming season. So they are having some estimation. So here we can say this is an estimation of a sale. So here 15,000 sale is there, 10,000 sale is there and 5,000 sale is there, and there are 3 strategies we can say. So this is a strategy 1, strategy 2 and strategy 3. So egg shampoo or clinic shampoo or deluxe shampoo, and these are the events. So event 1 is a 15,000 sale, event 2 is a 10,000 sale and event 3 is a 5,000 sale. Now how to read this problem? So if they produce a egg shampoo and if there is a sale of a 15,000, if they produce the egg shampoo and 15,000 in sale is there, so they will get the 30 is the profit. So 30 may be the 30,000 rupees or any quantity. If they produce the egg shampoo and there is a 10,000 sale, then they will get a 10 is a profit. If egg shampoo and 5,000 is sale in the market, then there is a profit of a 10. So 10 unit you can consider in 1,000 or lakhs of a unit. So similarly for others, so in the clinic shampoo and 15,000 sale, there is a profit of 40, clinic shampoo and 10,000 sale, profit of 15, clinic shampoo and profit sale is 5,000, then profit is a 5. Similarly for a deluxe shampoo and the sales 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000. So this is the actual problem. Now by using these all the criterias, so these criterias we have to decide which decision the Hindustan Liver may take. They may produce egg shampoo, clinic shampoo or deluxe shampoo. So we will see the one by one decision, one by one criteria. So we will first see the Maximax criteria. So first criteria is Maximax criteria. I will write here. So Maximax criteria. Now how to solve this type of problem? So we are calculating for egg shampoo, then next is a clinic shampoo and third is a deluxe shampoo. So in the solving while the Maximax criteria, there are 2 words. First is a max and second one is a max. So we are focusing first on this word, second word. So here this is the first word and this is second word, Maximax. So max. So we are focusing on the second word first. So max. So now we are looking in the egg shampoo, which one is the maximum? So 30, 10 and 10. So these 3 value comes under the egg shampoo. So we are selecting the maximum value because we are focusing on this maximum. So 30 is the profit. Similarly in the clinic shampoo, which one is the maximum? So here 40 is the maximum. So I will write here 40 is the maximum. In the deluxe shampoo, 55 is the maximum. So I will select here 55 is the maximum. So in the Maximax criteria, first we are focusing on this max or second part. Then we have calculated this is the second part. Then in this second part we are focusing on again maximum. Okay, so again maximum is here 30, 40 and 55. So maximum is a 55. So according to this Maximax criteria, we are selecting the deluxe shampoo. So if we use this criteria, Maximax criteria or optimism criteria, they may produce the deluxe shampoo that will give the maximum profit. Now similarly I will use the another method, that is Maximin criteria or Maximin criteria. Next criteria is Maximin criteria, second is Maximin criteria. By the similar way, so here there are 2 words, first is a max and second is a minimum. So we are focusing on this word, so minimum word. Again we are calculating for egg shampoo, clinic shampoo and third one is a deluxe shampoo. So we are focusing on minimum word, so this minimum word. So we are looking what is the minimum in a egg shampoo. So if you see in a egg shampoo, minimum value is now here 2 times 10. So we will select any 10. So 10 is a minimum for egg shampoo. Then For the clinic shampoo, minimum is a 5, and for deluxe shampoo, minimum is a 3. Okay, minimum is 3. So we have focused on this. Next part is minimum. Now we have calculated this minimum. Now from this minimum we are focusing on maximum value. So here 10, 5 and 3. So from these 10 is a maximum, so that is belongs to the egg shampoo. So by this condition we will select the egg shampoo. So if we use the criteria, Maximin criteria, then we are going to select the egg shampoo. If we use the Maximax criteria, we are going to select the deluxe shampoo. Similarly, third criteria which is asked. So third is a Minimax principle or Minimax criteria. I will write here Minimax. By the same way, we know that by the same way there are two words, minimum and max. So we are focusing on second word, so maximum. So for egg shampoo, for clinic shampoo and deluxe shampoo. So egg, clinic and last one is the deluxe shampoo. So in the egg shampoo we are focusing on maximum. So in the egg we know maximum is 30, in clinic maximum is 40 and deluxe maximum is a 55. So from this maximum now we are looking for a minimum. So here we have calculated 30, 40 and 55. So from that we are looking for a minimum. So here minimum is a 30. So by this Minimax criteria we can select the egg shampoo that will give the 30 is the profit. So here we have used the three criteria. Maximax, for Maximax criteria we can select the deluxe shampoo. For Maximin egg shampoo and Minimax egg shampoo. Now next criteria is criteria number 4. So that is a Laplace criteria, or we can see here Laplace criteria, it is nothing but again equal likely criteria. So we are giving the equal weightage to each and every criteria. So in the Laplace criteria, so here we will use another color. So next criteria, criteria number 4, that is a Laplace criteria. So in the Laplace criteria we are taking the average of each. So in the egg shampoo we are having a profit of this 30, 10 and 10. So we are taking the average of each. So here 30 plus 10 plus 10. So this divided by 3, because we are having 3 value. So if you solve this you will get the 16.66. So this is for a first shampoo, we can say the egg shampoo. Then for second shampoo is a clinic shampoo. In the clinic shampoo we are having a value of 40, 15 and 5. So again we will calculate the average 40, 15 and 5. So this 20 plus 40, 60 divided by 3. So that will be the 20. And similarly for third, that is a deluxe shampoo. So for deluxe shampoo values are 55. So one is 55, 20 and 3. 55, 20 and 3 divided by 3. So you will solve, if then you will get the 26. So here by the Laplace criteria we have given the equal weightage to each. So for egg shampoo it is 16.66, clinic shampoo 20 and deluxe shampoo there is a 26. Now from this select the maximum weightage. So here maximum is 26. So by this criteria we can select deluxe shampoo with the payoff value is at 26. So deluxe shampoo is selected by using the Laplace criteria. So here we have seen up to the 4 parts, so up to the Laplace criteria. Then we will see the regret criteria, or it is also called as a Minimax regret criteria. So I will write here regret criteria. Next is fifth number is a regret criteria, or it is also called as a Minimax. We know that Minimax regret criteria. Minimax regret criteria. Okay. Now what we have to do in the regret criteria? So for solving the regret criteria we have to consider the maximum payoff in each cell. We have to find out the maximum payoff in each cell, or in each cell, or we can say in each event. Okay, so these are the strategies S1, S2, S3, and these are the event E1, E2, E3. So we have to select the maximum payoff for each cell. So here in this 30, 40 and 55, so maximum value is 55. So we are subtracting all the value from 55. So here we can use 55 minus 30, here 55 minus 40, and here 55 minus 55. So this is for this cell. Now in the second cell 10, 15 and 20, so here maximum is a 20, so we can subtract value from this 20 minus 10, here 20 minus 15, here 20 minus 20. Similarly in the third 10 is a maximum, so we can select this 10 minus 10, 10 minus 5 and 10 minus 3. So 55 minus 30, that will be the 25. So if you solve this, you will get this type of a matrix, you can say. So here 25, 15 and 0, 10, 5, 0 and 0, 5, 7. Now here we are using the regret criteria, or it is also called as a mini-max regret criteria. Minimax regret criteria. So again here we are looking for this mini and max, so we are looking for second. So in the egg shampoo, which one is a maximum? So 25 is a maximum. Then in the clinic shampoo 15 is a maximum, so here clinic shampoo 15 is maximum, and in the deluxe shampoo 7 is a maximum. So here 25, 15 and 7, so these are the value we have calculated the second part maximum. And now in this maximum we are looking for the minimum value. So 25, 15 and 7, so minimum is a 7, means we are selecting deluxe shampoo by using this minimax regret criteria. So this is the answer, deluxe shampoo by using the minimax or regret criteria. So first we have to find out the regret table. So in the regret table we have to select the maximum payoff and subtract all the value in from that maximum payoff for each sale. So here for 15,000, 10,000 and 55,000. So first is 55, then second is 20, then third is 10, and then after that you will get the one matrix, and in that matrix we are using minimax criteria. So here looking for first maximum word and then looking in that minimum. So 25, 15, 7, so minimum is a 7, so that is for a deluxe shampoo. So we are selecting deluxe shampoo for the Laplace criteria. So in the problem we have seen Maximax, Maximin, Minimax, Laplace, then regret criteria also we have seen. Now last criteria is Hurwicz criteria, where alpha is given as 0.6, or Hurwicz criteria or criteria of realism. So where alpha value is given, that is a 0.6. So in the problem alpha value is given as a 0.6. Now how to solve this by Hurwicz criteria? So for that we are having some procedure. So here Hurwicz criteria or criteria of realism, this criteria is compromised between Maximax optimistic and Maximin pessimistic criteria. So it is a compromise, or it is a mid of optimistic and pessimistic criteria. So here first step is choose an appropriate degree of optimism alpha, so that is given in the problem, that is 0.6, so that 1 minus alpha represent the degree of pessimism, means optimism value is 0.6, realism that is given, and pessimism that is 1 minus alpha. Then second step is determine maximum as well as minimum of each alternative and obtain, so this relation we have to obtain, so h value we have to obtain, so alpha into maximum plus 1 minus alpha into minimum. So we have to solve this for this relation, and then choose the alternative that yields the maximum value of h. So for that we have to prepare one table. So here we are having egg shampoo, clinic shampoo and deluxe shampoo. So in the egg shampoo, now in the egg shampoo we have to find out the maximum value and minimum value. So first I will delete this, then you will understand the proper. So I will write and then you will get to know the proper answer how. So if it is already there, then you will focus on that. Now here in the egg shampoo we have to find out the maximum value and minimum value. So from the table or from the problem, if you check for egg shampoo, so egg shampoo maximum value is 30 and minimum is 10. For clinic shampoo maximum is 40 and minimum is 5, and for deluxe shampoo maximum is 55 and minimum is 3. So we have to put this maximum and minimum in this table. So maximum 30, 40 and 55, and minimum 10, 5 and 3. Now for solving this criteria we are having relation, we have to calculate this h value. So for that h value we are having relation alpha into maximum. So we know alpha value is 0.6 given in the problem, into maximum is a 30 plus 1 minus alpha, means 1 minus 0.6, into minimum value is a 10. Okay, so here 0.6 into 30, 13, that will be the 18, plus 1 minus 0.6 means 0.4 into 10, that will be 4. So 18 plus 4, 22. So that will, the answer is a 22. Similarly, you can solve for the clinic shampoo. So calculate the h value. Alpha is 0.6 into maximum value is 40 plus 1 minus alpha into minimum value is 5. So that will be the 24 plus 2, 26. Okay, and for third case H value is 0.6 into 55 plus 1 minus 0.6 into minimal is 3, so this is a 34.2. Now we have to choose the alternative that yields the maximum of H. So here we have calculated H for egg shampoo, that is 22, H for clinic shampoo, that is 26, and H for deluxe shampoo, that is 34.2. So we are selecting maximum value of H. So by this criteria we can select the deluxe shampoo for production. So because it gives the maximum yield 34.2. So this is a decision theory, and there are a number of criterias or number of principles in a decision under uncertainty, and we have seen these 5 or 6 principle: Maximax, Maximin, Minimax, Laplace, Regret, and Hurwicz criteria, and these are the answer by each of the criteria. For Maximax, that is deluxe, then there is Maximin egg shampoo, Minimax egg shampoo, then Laplace deluxe shampoo, Regret criteria again deluxe shampoo, and Hurwicz criteria, that is again deluxe shampoo. So this is the answer of the problem. Okay, so in the upcoming lecture we will see the same type of a problem where the strategy and event at a different place. We will rearrange the problem and then we will solve, and after that we will go for a probability problem. So if you find this content is worthy, then subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.